So good morning to all of you. So friends, in the previous lecture I discussed that current affairs on science and technology. Today I want to discuss current affairs on international relations. IR, international relations. Before, so we are going across to that. I want to give a few words for you. So when you are studying, don't put unnecessary pressure on yourself. Free your mind and study. Try yourself. Put your best on that. Put your best on that. Then you can get a positive result automatically. Whether you are getting positive result or not, that is the secondary. But at least you should try. Okay. Always to think everything positively. Don't think of negative manner. Don't think of negative manner. You think always of positive manner. That is my best suggestion for you. Okay. Try చేయకపోవడం తప్పు కానీ ట్రై చేస్తే తప్పేముంది? తప్పేం లేదు. ఓకే, ట్రై చేయాలి, కష్టపడాలి. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఈస్ మై బెస్ట్ సజెషన్ ఫర్ యూ. నౌ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ అక్రాస్ టు కరెంట్ అఫైర్స్ ఆన్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ రిలేషన్స్. So first and foremost one is QUAD, QUAD, capital letters, QUAD, QUAD. Recently, quadrilateral meeting among 4 countries, USA, Japan, India and Australia. Quadrilaterally. This meeting was quadrilaterally. Okay, for free and open Indo-Pacific. For free and open Indo-Pacific region. Okay. So this meeting between, for the first time, foreign ministry level was happened on the sidelines of UNGA, United Nations General Assembly. ఒక పక్క జనరల్ అసెంబ్లీ జరుగుతూ ఉంది. ఆ టైంలో ఈ మీటింగ్ని ఏర్పాటు చేశారన్నమాట. ఒక పక్క జనరల్ అసెంబ్లీ జరుగుతుంది. సో జనరల్ అసెంబ్లీ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఒక పక్క ఈ మీటింగ్ని ఏర్పాటు చేశారు. దట్ ఈస్ ద క్వాడ్రిలేటరల్ మీటింగ్. ఫర్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైమ్ ఫారెన్ మినిస్ట్రీ లెవెల్ వాజ్ హ్యాపెండ్. ఓకే, ఎర్లియర్ ఓన్లీ secretary level among these 4 countries was happened. But this time around what happened, only this time around for the first time foreign ministry level was happened. Okay, so main objective of this QUAD is free and open Indo-Pacific region, Indian Ocean and Pacific region. That is the Indo-Pacific region. India, Indian Ocean and Pacific region, Indo-Pacific region. Here 4 countries are there. So USA, Japan, India and Australia. Quadrilaterally. Okay. And what are the significance of this QUAD? What are the significance of this QUAD? Significance means importance of this QUAD. See, main significance here is, okay, so it is the organization, it is the QUAD to counter China, to counter terrorism and realizing India's role. Realizing, third significance is realizing India's role. And fourth one is to stabilize and transition of powers in this Indo-Pacific region. Transition of powers, so in this Indo-Pacific region. Okay, and at the same time, it is a concept of democratic countries. It is a concept of democracies. It is a group of democratic countries. You know, these 4 countries are democratic countries, and that too, India is the largest democratic country in the world. Okay, so next one. So this is the group and this is the QUAD. Realizing ASEAN. ASEAN means Association of Southeast Asian Nations. That is the ASEAN. It is realizing ASEAN centralities. So these are the main significance of this QUAD. Very important. Please keep in mind. Next, second current in news, that is the Strait of Hormuz. HORMUZ. What is this one? See, recently Three Iranian boats tried to block passage of British oil tanker in this Strait of Hormuz. Strait means path of Hormuz, Strait of Hormuz area. See, the Strait of Hormuz located between the Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman. Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman in the Western Asia. In the Western Asia, western part of Asia continent. It is very important. It is in news. Please keep in mind. Strait of Hormuz. It is located between the Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman country. Gulf of Oman countries. Next important one is Mekong Ganga Cooperation. Mekong Ganga Cooperation. MGC. Mekong Ganga Cooperation. Okay. Recently, Mekong Ganga Cooperation ministerial meeting was happened in Thailand. Recently was happened that to Bangkok, that capital of Thailand, Bangkok. Okay. So what is the main objective of this one? Okay. So mainly objective of this one is cooperation in tourism, transport, education, culture and communications. These five contents. What is that one? So tourism, transport, culture, education and communications. For the promotion of these 5 contents. Among these India and 5 ASEAN countries. 5 ASEAN countries. Here we see this Mekong and Ganga cooperation is in the name of Ganga river in India, Mekong river in 5 ASEAN countries. What are the 5 ASEAN countries? Vietnam, Laos, Myanmar, Cambodia and Thailand. So this is an initiative between India and 5 ASEAN countries. 5 ASEAN countries. In ASEAN, 10 countries are there. But this cooperation between India and 5 countries, 5 ASEAN countries. That is very important. Please keep in mind. Next one, Group 7 countries. Group 7 countries, G7 countries. Recently, India was invited for the meeting of this Group 7. This meeting was held in France recently. What is this Group 7? See, Group 7, very developed, economically developed countries. These Group 7 countries are economically developed countries. What are these Group 7 countries? So, Canada, USA, UK, United Kingdom, France, Germany, Italy and Japan. These 5. Earlier, it was Group 8. That time, Russia was also there in Group 8. But what happened recently, in 2014, Russia excluded. Russia was expelled from this group. Now today it is Group 7. Why it is? 2014 Russia occupied Crimea region, CRIMEA, Crimea region in Ukraine country. So Russia occupied this Crimea region in Ukraine country. That is why Russia was expelled from this group. Now today it is Group 7. Earlier it was Group 8. Next important one is BBIN agreement, capital letters, BBIN agreement. So it is a meeting of Bangladesh, Bhutan, India and Nepal on motor vehicle agreement, MVA, motor vehicle agreement. And what is this main agreement? Okay, it is this BBN agreement is nothing but regulation of mainly personnel and passengers and cargo vehicular traffic. Mainly this is the BBN is regulation of this cargo vehicular traffic and passengers and personnel personal regulations. That is why BBN agreement, very very important. Okay, recent news. Next one, Indian Ocean Commission, IOC, Indian Ocean Commission. So currently in news, it is in news. Very very important, Indian Ocean Commission. Recently, India has become observer member on this in this group, IOC group. What is this group? So this group, IOC group, Indian Ocean Commission, was created by Fort Lewis, P-O-R-T-L-O-U-I-S, Fort Lewis Declaration in 1984. So mainly it was created by Fort Lewis Declaration in 1982. In 1982, it was created in the year 1982. In this IOC, 5 countries are there. 5 regular countries are there. So what are the 5 countries? That is so Union of Comoros, COMOROS. All are Indian Ocean only. So Union of Comoros, Madagascar. Next one is Reunion Island, Seychelles countries, Seychelles Islands, and at the same time, last one is Mauritius Island country. These 5 island countries are in Indian Ocean only. Please keep in mind, very very important. 5 island countries come together and form this IOC group. It is an intergovernmental organization. Okay, so in that, India has become the observer country. Apart from India, so there was a China, Japan, and European countries and Malta country, also observer countries in this IOC group, Indian Ocean Commission. This group is in the Indian Ocean. Okay, next very very important thing here is Group 20. See, Group 20 are the economically developed and developed countries. India is also part of this Group 20. China was also there. So this group member countries are developed and developing countries economically. Okay. Next very important one is Brexit. BREXIT. Brexit means Britain exit. That is the Brexit. Britain country is there, na? You know very well. Britain country exit from the European Union. I am talking about European Union, not Europe countries. Europe countries, 51 countries are there, but European countries only 27 countries. Earlier it was 28. Now Britain was exit from this. Britain came out of this group. Now it is Group 7. European. So what is this European group? European Union is a economic and political union of 27 countries. Earlier it was 28. Now today 27. That time Britain was also there. Okay, so it is a group economic and political union of 27 countries, 27 European countries group. Okay, and it is operates internal market, and it is European Union, so operates internal market, which allows free movement of capital, goods, okay, and personal, service, etc. Free movement of goods, service, personal, and capital as well. Capital means here money. European Union currency. European Union separate currency is there for this group. This European 27 group countries. European Union 27 group countries. So separate currency also there. That is the capital. Capital is nothing but currency. Okay. So that is the one thing. Okay. So next important main is, so recently India has won so non-permanent membership recently. Okay, for 2000 for 2 years term. India has won non-permanent seat in the United Nations Security Council, in United Nations Security Council. So there is a permanent member is there, at the same time non-permanent members also there. Their permanent members are in nothing but 5 countries, that is veto power countries, that is the permanent member countries. So veto power countries means here USA, UK, France, that is China, that is China. So first one, Russia also there. So 5 countries, they are the 5 permanent countries, veto power countries. So 10 non-permanent member countries are there, 10 non-permanent member countries. On regular basis they are selecting, on regular basis, at the same time alphabetical order they are selecting. So recently India has won this non-permanent seat in this UNSC, United Nations Security Council, for 2 years term, Okay, 2 years term means between 2021-22. Okay, next important here is important current news, that is Amphan cyclone, AMPHAN. Recently this Amphan cyclone was broken out in Bay of Bengal, and it damages the coastal states of India, especially Odisha and West Bengal. Amphan cyclone, AMPHAN, Amphan cyclone, very very important, please keep in mind. Okay, next current news, that is NATO, NATO. Okay, so recently this NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organizations, so they celebrated this NATO celebration 70th anniversary was held in London recently. See, this NATO is nothing but military alliance. It is a military alliance. There are 29 countries are there in NATO. That is so North American continent countries, and at the same time so European countries. There are 29 countries are in this. So that means, so this military alliance to protect these membered group countries, this NATO membered group countries from the communist countries like USA, Russia and China, etc. So it was launched in the year 1949. It was created in the year 1949. That is NATO. And at the same time, recently, so International Court of Justice ordered that so Myanmar must take actions, essential actions to protect mainly this Muslim group, Arkan Muslim groups in this country. So Myanmar country, Arkan, so Muslims in this Myanmar country. Okay, so that is the main thing here is. Next important current news, so that is mainly diplomacy, where mainly this medical diplomacy. See, recently India supplied essential drugs like paracetamol, hydroxychloroquine, HCQ to many countries, which are severely affected countries from this deadly coronavirus. Thus, so India's role is important in the medical diplomacy. India's role is very important in this medical diplomacy. Next one. So nuclear non-proliferation treaty, NPT. See, very important. Okay, so this NPT treaty, it is a treaty on It is a treaty. It is a treaty on non-proliferation. It is a treaty on nuclear non-proliferation. Nuclear. It is treaty on nuclear non-proliferation to prevent or to control the spread of nuclear weapons. To spread of nuclear weapons. To control the spread of nuclear weapons. But you know, India, Pakistan, Israel, North Korea and South Sudan have not signed in this NPT. These 5 countries have not signed. So this NPT, okay, non-proliferation treaty as of now. Okay, please keep in mind. 5 countries. There are 5 countries only have not signed NPT. Have not signed this NPT. Okay, this NPT. Next, so recently, US President Donald Trump visited India, and there was some agreements between India and security agreements. Okay, so defense agreement, mainly between US and India. So we are buying, and at the same time US is selling Seahawk 24 Seahawk 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 helicopters. That is mainly anti-missile helicopter. It is an anti-missile warfare helicopter. These 24 Seahawk helicopters are the anti-missile warfare helicopters. And at the same time, we are buying 6 Apache helicopter. Apache helicopter. APACHE. Apache helicopters. 24 and 6 Apache helicopters we are buying from the USA. This is the recently defense agreement was between US and India. So these are the current news. Total current in news. Okay. And in the next lecture, I want to discuss current affairs on economy. Current affairs on economy. Okay. See you.